Top 10 haunted places in India.
Number 10. The Bombay High Court. The lawyers working in the Bombay High Court believe that one of the courtrooms is haunted by a vengeful, tortured soul who restricts the entry of the accused into the courtroom in every murder trial. Reportedly, this has been going on for the past 3 decades. It is also known as the best historical places in Mumbai. Number 9. The Sisachal, Mumbai.
Even though this chawl is a populated area in Mahim, Mumbai, the residents have reported ghost sightings of a lady who looks around the area at night and vanishes without a trace once the sun is up. The locals believe she was an old lady who fell into the well while drawing water and drowned as no one heard her shrieks for help.
Number 8. Ramoji Film City.
The Ramoji Film City was built over the remains of dead soldiers of the Sultanate, whose restless souls haunt the film set still today. Stuntmen get injured in freak accidents, lights go off suddenly, mirror gets marked and equipment is destroyed regularly. Women seem to be particularly susceptible and have had their clothes torn by invisible forces and gotten locked in rooms. Number 7. Agrasen Ki Boli, New Delhi. This intricately built ancient place in Delhi is an architectural masterpiece and is curated by the ASI. However, the locals believe it to be haunted by the ghosts and satanic demons who lurk in the shadows following the visitors around. Tourists have complained about feeling an uncanny dread once they stepped inside.
Number 6. Lambi Dehar Mines.
Once a fully operational lime mine employing thousands of workers, the Lambi Dehar mines of Mussoorie are now abandoned and are considered one of the scariest places in India. Due to hazardous working conditions, the lack of safety regulation and accidents, countless workers died in the mines and are now sent to haunt the tunnels. Strange voices and screams coming from the mines are a regular occurrence here. Number 5. Jatinga, Assam. This tiny village with a population of 2500 has one of the most puzzling phenomena in the world, namely recurring mass bird suicides. For centuries now, local and migratory birds plummet to the ground in large numbers on moonless nights of September and October, only on a specific area. This has baffled scientists who can't find any reasonable justification for the birds dropping dead from the sky in such a pattern and is extremely disturbing to say the least. Number 4. Dumas Beach, Gujarat. On the Arabian Sea coast, the black sands of Dumas Beach in Gujarat are associated with several mysteries over several years. The beach used to be Hindu burial ground and many believe that the restless spirits call out to the visitors, taking midnight strolls and walking towards the sea to return back to the shore. There have been reports that those who don't heed the voices of the dead disappear into the water forever. This beach is definitely not for faint-hearted. Number 3. Dow Hill. The Victoria Boys High School and Dow Hill Girls Boarding School in Kurseong, Darjeeling are believed to be the residence of many spirits whose footsteps can be heard echoing through the hallways. There have been countless murdered bodies found in the woods surrounding the schools, and several locals and tourists report being followed by a headless boy who then disappears into the woods. Number 2. Kuldara Village, Rajasthan. The Kuldara village is located near Jaisalmer and was originally inhabited by the Palliwal Brahmins. The lore speaks of sudden disappearance of all the villages of Kuldara as well as 83 other nearby villages in 1825 into thin air, leaving no trace of their whereabouts. It is said that the Ministry of State had fallen in love with a girl from the village and had threatened to impose huge taxes upon the entire village unless they married her to him. To protect the honor of the girl, the chief of Kulhara and surrounding areas abandoned their village and cursed the land to remain for eternity. Number 1. Bhangar Fort, Rajasthan. Located in the Alwar region, the uninhabited town of Bhangar is one of the eeriest places imaginable and is unanimously considered as India's most haunted place. It is considered to be so dangerous that even the Archaeological Survey of India has legally prohibited anyone from entering the Bhangar fort after dark. During the 16th century, a tantrik named Singya fell in love with Ratnavati, the beautiful princess of Bhangar, and knowing it was a hopeless match, decided to use his magic to seduce her. However, the princess uncovered his plan and sentenced him to death. Before his death, enraged by the turn of events, he cursed the place to doom the town to be roofless and miserable forever. Nearby locals believe that anyone who goes into the fort after dark won't make it back alive, so visit at your own risk. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.